In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly set up a WordPress site using Hostinger. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, starting with a reliable hosting provider like Hostinger can simplify the process. So let's dive right in and get your new site up and running. First, we'll begin by logging into your Hostinger account. If this is your first time, you'll need to visit Hostinger's website and enter your login credentials, which you created when you signed up. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Hostinger dashboard. This is the control center where you manage all aspects of your hosting and website options. Now that you're in the dashboard, we need to navigate to the section called Auto Installer. You'll typically find Auto Installer under the Hosting tab. This tool is incredibly useful because it automates the installation process for various website platforms, including WordPress, saving you time and effort. Click on Auto Installer, and from the list of applications, select WordPress. WordPress is a very popular content management system that is known for its user-friendliness and powerful functionality. Here's where the fun begins. In the WordPress installation window, you'll need to fill in some essential site information. You'll be asked to choose the domain where you want WordPress to be installed. If you have multiple domains, ensure you select the correct one. You'll also need to fill out additional details like the site's title, your preferred language, and some login information for your WordPress admin account. This part is crucial as these credentials will allow you access to manage your website later. Be sure to use a strong password for security purposes. After you've filled everything in, it's time to hit that install button. The installation process typically takes a few minutes. During this time, Hostinger will set up the necessary files and databases for WordPress to function correctly. Once the installation is complete, Hostinger will give you a confirmation message along with a link to your new WordPress site and admin dashboard. The final step in our process today is logging into your new WordPress admin area. Clicking the link provided after installation will take you to the WordPress login page. Here, you'll need to enter the username and password you set earlier. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you can customize your site, add new content, install plugins, and switch themes to begin crafting a site that truly meets your vision. And there you have it. You've set up WordPress on Hostinger, and you're now ready to bring your website to life. Feel free to explore the various features WordPress has to offer and start configuring your site layout, content, and design elements as desired. Thank you for joining me today, and happy website building!